Skija Accounts Teaching by Ramesh Kumar. My mobile number is 614-35205206 and my mail ID is kumar.ramesh5759@yahoo.com. Now today we are going to discuss issue of shares. Shares are of two types. Number one, equity shares or ordinary shares, and the other is preference shares. First we are going to discuss equity shares or ordinary shares. They are the real shareholders. They can participate in management. What do you mean by participate in management? That they can elect directors of the company and they are given dividend, but dividend is paid to them only after paying dividend to preference shareholders. Also at the time of dissolution of the company, these shareholders are the last one to receive their share capital back. They are also called equity shareholders or they are called ordinary shareholders. But they are the real shareholders who take the risk. If the business goes in profits, they are getting more dividend. If the company goes into losses, then their dividend is not there either or less dividend. The price of their shares fluctuates in the market on the percentage of dividend received by them. Then the other is preference shareholders. In case of preference shares, rate of dividend is already fixed, like 10%, 12%, 13%, 15%. They get a fixed rate of dividend. But they have preference in two ways. First, in receiving the dividend. Number two, when a company gets dissolved, the first payment is made to the preference share, then last to the equity shareholders. That is, they have a preference also on return of their capital or dissolution of the company. Preference shares may be convertible or non-convertible. Convertible means which can be converted into equity shares. That is, they are given an option that after a certain period, if they like, they can apply for the conversion of preference shares into equity shares. And non-convertible, which cannot be converted into equity shares. And then preference shares may be redeemable or irredeemable. Redeemable means like debentures, their capital is paid back after a certain period. like after 10 years or 20 years or 15 years. So they are called redeemable preference shares. Irredeemable means during the lifetime of the company, their funds cannot be paid back. Only on dissolution of the company, their funds can be paid back. If you like this video, kindly like, share and subscribe it. Also, tell your friends to view the video because I want to share my experience with the students free of cost. Without charging anything, I want to share my experience of last more than 35 years with the students.